Hello everyone, welcome to the video, how to use the basic auth for Jira REST APIs in Postman. Let's begin. Let's say you have Jira board with a free subscription. And you don't want to use UI to create the issue. Then this video is for you. Or if you try to do it with a Postman and receive the errors, then this video is for you. Let's begin. First of all, we need to go to this page. I will leave the link in the description below the video. And go to this link, API token. It opens Manage API tokens for your Atlassian account. And we need to follow the manual on this page. And click on another URL to manage tokens. And it leads to the API tokens page. And yes, I know you can go here directly, I just wanted to show you all the documentation you needed. In case you want to read it. So we click on Create API Token button. Then the Create an API Token dialog is opened. You need to provide the name of the token into the label field. And click Create. That's all, the token is generated. The token can be seen only once. Right now, at this moment on this dialog, that's all. But you can generate more tokens, so it is not a problem. Okay, copy the token. Now we need the API to use. And I will use the getIssue API. I won't show how I move it to Postman, this topic can be discussed in a separate video. If you did everything correctly but didn't provide the auth details, you will have this error, 404 not found. The problem is in permissions. It means we need to go to the Authorization tab, and there you can find the Type drop-down list. Expand it and select the Basic Auth type. Then the form for credentials will be available. Provide your Jira account email in the username field. And provide the API token into the password field. Yes, that's right, the token is used instead of the password. That's all, now we can send the request. And once we click the send button, we can see the huge payload and 200 OK response code. We did it. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If so, thumbs up, if not, thumbs down. I wish you all the best.